What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Educator. How you all doing? This video is going to be different from the previous videos, guys. We're going to be talking about some psychological aspects. Let's jump onto the first tweet right here coming from Steve Burns. You can only be consistent with your discipline in following your trading process, not in your returns. The market is always changing. You can only be consistent with your systematic approach, with your discipline, with the actions that you're taking on the market every single day, right? However, the returns that you're generating from the market will not be consistent, guys. It will not be consistent. What can be consistent is maybe you trying to achieve small to mid-term goals as a trader, guys. Or what can be consistent overall is that you coming out profitable overall. Profitability overall is something that can be consistent, but expecting that you're going to be making money every single day from day trading is something that you should probably let go of, guys. I mean, this is something which I had to let go of as well. With that said, let's talk about a very important tweet right here, guys. Speculative disciplines like TA are useful insofar as they keep us engaged and help in our risk management. If you use them as a crystal ball, you're probably not using them well. TA doesn't provide a full and thorough insight into the deterministic cause that shape the future, guys. This should make a lot of sense to you once again, and this is the reason why this video right here exists, guys. The thing is that it's not only charts which are going to be getting you above everything in the market. It's not always going to be technical analysis that is going to be making you money as a trader in the market. It's going to be a lot of things, guys. Most importantly, it's the mindset right here. It's the mindset. This simply means that technical analysis can only take you so far. TA can determine the rejection levels. Technical analysis can tell you key risk management points and key levels where if the price kind of goes below or if the price kind of goes above certain price point, you have to change your strategy, or maybe you have to take profit, or maybe you have to take an exit in the market. That is what technical analysis tells us, guys. The rest of the things, the mindset that you have to have, and the overall thing when it comes to executing your trade in the market as a whole is something that is completely different from technical analysis. TA can only take you so far. I hope that makes sense to you. If it does, you can hit that like right here, right now. Alright, last tweet for the day, guys. The market will keep coming at you with everything that frustrates you and upsets you until you understand. When you understand, everything seems simple, fluid, calm, and kind. That's it. Guys, I would say that if you're struggling with your trading right now, this is what is supposed to be your mid-term goal in the market. Achieving this kind of mindset, guys. If you finally conclude with the fact that coming profitable in the market is something that is completely dependent on you, not on the external factors that are playing out in the market as a whole, that is when you'll be relieved, guys. That is when you'll feel that, oh my god, it was all about me. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. It's actually like that. We as human beings, we do like to play that blame game when things are going against us for a very long time, guys. It happens. It does happen in trading, guys. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people do take a lot of time to come out profitable in the market as a whole, guys. The thing is that if you become cocky after making a lot of profitability runs in the market as a whole, you will get that humble pie right up your face, guys. So another thing I would like to add right here, you have to have a streamlined mindset. You have to have a flat-lined emotional response. Even if you're winning or you're losing in the market, it should not really hurt you so much, or it should not really put you into a euphoric state overall, guys. That is something that truly profitable traders have as their mindset as a whole, guys. Alright, guys, so with that said, we're just gonna briefly see what's happening in the market from a fundamental side of things. The last time when we were trying to check out the long and short ratios in the market, we saw that long positions were kind of overwhelmingly more than the short positions in the market, guys. What we can see right here is that now this thing is getting into a little bearish side of things. A lot of people are getting short on the market, whereas the momentum has started shifting, guys, in the small time frames, right? So you can see, guys, every single time the majority will not win, guys. This is something that casinos work on, right? Casinos work on a 51% win rate. It's just crazy things. We'll make a separate video on how casino actually works and how you can take those learnings from a casino and apply in your own trading as a whole, guys. We'll talk about that as well, probably in the next week. But you can see right here, guys, that the interest has sharply shifted towards shorting the market all of a sudden. So maybe this could act upon like a rocket fuel to push the price action to the upside. Now, this is my own interpretation in the market as of now, guys. Looking at the landscape, the price action is looking fine, and we know the key levels, guys. It's $3,000 on Ethereum. For Bitcoin, it is below $38,000. So things are looking completely fine as of now. Let's talk about the funding rates on perpetual contracts coming from various exchanges right here. Now remember why I was talking about all your funding getting into negative figures when we were nearing a bottom, guys. Well, although to be honest with you, that was not completely a sure shot fact that this is going to be the exact bottom in the market when Bitcoin was hovering around $35,000, $34,000 regions. But guys, when the price action was simply dripping to the downside and it was kind of accelerated on a bearish end, we saw that you were getting paid to long the crypto assets as a whole, right? Now what is happening is that Bitcoin from the bottom is up more than 15% in the market, right? Which is why the funding is kind of neutralized as of now, guys. So if you just take a look at the average from these fundings, it's not that much, guys. So I would not be putting a lot of concern, I would not be putting a lot of focus into this fact right here to determine my bearish edge in the market as a whole. But I would say that the funding has started balancing itself out. We're looking at a neutralized funding rate, right? That is something which is appreciated if you're holding a swing position, let's just say for a month or something like that. But when the funding really gets into negative figures, that is when you're getting paid a lot of money to long on any asset. Whereas when the funding is getting extremely positive, you're paying a lot of money to long that crypto asset as a whole. What we can see in this kind of landscape is that we are kind of in a neutral stance, guys. We're kind of in a neutral stance as of now. So the overall market landscape is kind of in a comfortable spot as of now. There's an agreement, guys. Like there's an agreement between bears and bulls going on in the market. Everybody is shaking hands and everybody's accepting some key levels as of now. With that said, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you know the deal, guys. I'll catch all of you pretty soon. Bye for now.